welcome back. We are on part 2 now. Okay, so looking at this really quickly, what I want you to notice is if I cross multiply, this is going to be equal to 15. And this here is going to be equal to 15, but in order to get 15, 6 needs to multiply by 2.5. We can't have decimals in our fraction. So this is actually going to be a ratio. We're not looking at equivalent fractions here. We're looking at equivalent ratios. And we know that we can change a fraction into a ratio. But it's easier to look at it in this form when we are figuring this out. So what can I do? So I can go 5 times 3, right? My cross multiplication. And this is 6 times x. And if I'm figuring this out, this is 15. And this is 6 times x still. And I'm just going to move 6 to the other side. And so then I have that 2.5 is equal to x. So what I can say here is 2.5. I can have my ratio here. That's my answer. Is equal to 5 to 6. And I can check that really quick because 2 times that there and 2 times that there is equal. Okay. All right. Now, you're not going to have one this complex, but I'm going to do it anyways because I think they're fun. Okay, so I'm going to change this into my multiplication, right? My cross multiplication. So I have 2 times 7 equals, whoop, right? 5 times 3x. So I want to isolate that x. Blue. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 5, right? Divide both sides by 5. So this is 14 divided by 5, right? And then that's going to be equal to 3x. So 14 divided by 5 is equal to 2.8. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And 2.8 divided by 3 is going to be 0 decimal. And it's 9, 3 repeating. 9, 3, 3, 3 repeating. I'm just going to ask you to round to the 1 decimal place. So this would be 0.9. Okay, so even in your books, round to 1 decimal place. Okay, and on your assessments as well. All right, so I have some more work for you here to do, so make sure you're coming to the help session if you are struggling, or ask in class.